Hello, this is Miss Winsley here, and this is a video tutorial on completing your graduation project questionnaire. So, if you are not there, go ahead and migrate to your Dropbox folder, to your English 4 shared view folder. And you're going to find the template entitled GP Questionnaire. You're going to click on it, and it's going to pull up a document that looks like this. Now, as you can clearly see, each item is able to be tabbed. So let's look at a completed one. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to have your name. You want to type first and last name, and then you want to have any middle initial. Tab to the next item. Tab to the next item, and you want to type out the full date. You want to write out the full date. No numbers. So, how many hours have you completed? Just state the number of hours as of the day's date. So, as of today's date, which is April 28th, how many hours have you completed? This does not have to be in complete sentence. You literally can just state the number. What day did you finish or you expect to finish your project? This needs to be in a complete sentence. I finished my product on, and then type out the date. If you haven't, you'll put I expect to finish my product by May 4th, 2014. So those are just some sample lines that you can type. So number 3, use an analogy to describe your experience. Describe your graduation project experience. This is where you get to have a little fun. So for example, this experience has been like when an internet page takes a long time to load because you get impatient and cranky waiting for it to happen. So you want to fill in the blank and really elaborate. This experience has been like, compare it to something. Having my wisdom teeth extracted without any numbing medication. Very painful from beginning to end. All right, number 4. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest, how well have you worked with your mentor? So you want to give the number and then explain. So I have an 8. Working with my mentor was awesome. You want to elaborate a little bit more than that, but you really want to say, how did you get along with your mentor? How well did you work with your mentor? Was it hard to really understand where your mentor was coming from? Did your mentor provide enough support? Things like that. What advice would you give to next year's seniors? This is a very great question, and typically judges do look at this question when they thumb through your portfolio. So you want to be honest here. Also, we as teachers, we look at this question and we look to see how we can improve it and how we can add more support for next year. Number 6, approximately how many pictures have you taken? Give a number and then type it. What things did you capture in your pictures? This portion of the question, what things did you capture in your pictures, that needs to be in a complete sentence. And then lastly, number 7, what do you have in mind as a visual aid? PowerPoint, video, a combination of both, pictures, Prezi if you're over 18, 50 to 75 words. Once again, you want to be extremely specific. This is also going to help you when you get ready, when you start prepping your visual aid and creating your speech. All right. Once you're done with that, you want to go through it, read through it, make sure you have good spelling, punctuation, make sure everything's capitalized, If you have sentences that use the word I, you want to make sure I has been capitalized. And then you want to go ahead and save it. So you'll go File, Save As, your last name, underscore GP Questionnaire. And then you'll save it in your graduation project folder. And you've now completed your GP Questionnaire. Congratulations.